Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to activate outline text on Pixel 7a. So open your menu, then go to settings, then select display and touch. Okay, display and touch. After that, you can see option of display size and text. Open that, then you can just scroll up for the functions. Then you can see option of outline text. Simply click on that button to turn on outline text. After turning on, you can see that there is an outline of each text in the screen. So in this way, you can easily activate outline text, and you can see here everywhere where there is a text, there is an outline. So it will be some useful for some peoples with problems is their eyes, and that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.